Attention, Walmart shoppers! Camping gear is now on sale just in time for summer. So stop on by and stock up on all our top quality camping gear so you can get your ass out to the campsite and spend some time with the family.
What's up? This is Richie and Jamie from the Where We Wild YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you the best camping gear to buy at Walmart. Let's get into it.
Alright, so first up on our list is probably the most important part of any camping trip, your tent. Walmart offers a wide range of tents catering to all group sizes and preferences. Whether you're on a solo backpacking adventure or camping with the whole family, you'll find the perfect tent to suit your needs. We recommend buying a tent that is sized 2 to 4 people larger than the number of people sleeping in it to have a little more space to be comfortable.
To keep your tent secure, you're going to want some reliable tent pegs. Now, when you buy a tent, they come with tent pegs, usually these basic steel ones that you see here. But you can always double up on these on each loop if it's really windy out to help really secure your tent. But you can get a mallet to help you bang them in, or you can get specifically made ones for each environment. Heavy duty ones, twist anchor ones. They have ones that are specifically built for sand environments. They have a whole bunch of different options, even ultra lightweight ones, which are really cool. We like to use those a lot, actually. But any style you want to get, they have them available at Walmart, and they're usually under $2. Walmart also has a great selection of affordable tarps, which are always useful while camping. They can be placed under your tent to protect it from any sticks or rocks, as well as creating an extra layer of separation between you and the ground. You can also use them as a cover to protect yourself or your gear from heavy rain or extremely hot sun. The other thing you can pick up at Walmart are pool noodles, and these were on sale for 98 cents. Pretty good. Now you might be asking yourself, why would you need pool noodles to go camping? Well, if you've seen some of our camping hacks videos, you know that you can use a brightly colored pool noodle to put on your tent lines, making them way harder to trip over. You can see them coming from a distance, and even if you do run into them, there's a nice pad on there. Now, if you don't want to travel with 4 or 5 pool noodles, don't worry, you don't have to. Just grab 1 or 2, cut them down to size depending on how many tent lines you have, and throw them on that way. You'll still see them coming from a distance, and it'll work great.
When it's time to get some rest, a good sleeping bag is a must. Walmart has a decent selection of sleeping bags with various temperature ratings, sizes, and styles to keep you comfortable. I actually picked up this Ozark Trail 50-degree bag in a pinch last year, and it's been great. And for under $15, it's an amazing deal. You can also grab one of these sleeping pads for extra comfort and to keep you off the ground. There are a couple different styles to choose from, including this lightweight foldable one that's great for backpacking.
If you want a little more luxury inside your tent, Walmart has a great selection of air mattresses. We use a queen size mattress from Intex, but they have other brands like Coleman and Ozark Trail as well. And don't forget to pick up one of these battery powered pumps for quick and easy inflation. We spotted this Intex queen mattress in the center aisle for under $20, which we thought was a steal.
Another important piece of camping gear is a cooler, and Walmart has many to choose from. Whether you're planning a short trip or a longer adventure, they have the perfect cooler to meet your needs. And speaking of coolers, check out our cooler hacks video to see how we made our cooler even better.
A great thing to pick up at Walmart is one of these Coleman 2-burner camping stoves. We usually love to cook over the fire, but when that's not possible, cooking on one of these is like having your stove at home. They run on these propane fuel canisters that come in a 2-pack for under $10, and they last a really long time. Some other kinds of stoves, like our little backpacking one, actually run on these butane propane mix canisters that they also sell at Walmart. You can grab the small canister for around $7, and the larger one runs around $12.
Some of our favorite cooking tools that you can buy at Walmart are cast iron skillets and griddles. You can cook almost any meal on a cast iron. And because they can withstand such high heat, you can cook right on the fire. They're really durable, yet easy to clean, and if you take good care of them, they can last forever.
Now, when it's time to eat, you're going to need some tableware. The camping section at Walmart has these kits that they sell for around $10 to $15. They come with plates, bowls, utensils, stuff like that. But if you head over to the kitchen section, you're gonna find a great deal on all this stuff. They sell plates, bowls, cups for like 50 cents each, and even utensil sets for under $2. We bought these a few years ago, and they've been awesome. They're lightweight, easy to clean, and since they're reusable, they're way more eco-friendly than all of those single-use products.
There's nothing quite like relaxing by the fire while camping, and with Walmart's wide selection of chairs, you're bound to find one that's both comfortable and affordable. There are lightweight options for backpacking and spacious reclining chairs for the ultimate comfort, all at reasonable prices. You can even grab one of these Ozark Trail chairs for only $7.88 and it'll get the job done.
A great tool to bring camping is a shovel. This foldable camping shovel by Ozark Trail is easy to store and transport and can be very useful around the campsite, like adjusting or maintaining your campfire. And if you like to stay fresh and clean while camping, grab one of these portable camping showers. You simply fill it up with water, hang it out in the sun to warm it up, and you can take a quick shower wherever you are.
In case of emergency or for a quick and easy meal, Walmart carries Mountain House Adventure Meals. These lightweight and long-lasting meals are perfect for backpacking, camping, or stocking up your emergency kit. We prefer cooking our meals fresh, but these are great if you're in a pinch or traveling very light.
If you like roasting marshmallows and making s'mores by the campfire, then definitely grab a pack of these Ozark Trail 32-inch bamboo skewers. They're the perfect marshmallow roasting sticks, and they're only $1. It's just way easier to have these than having to search all over the ground for random sticks. Last but not least, Walmart sells Sawyer water filters, which in our opinion are essential for anything outdoors. If you're camping or hiking somewhere remote without access to clean drinking water, you can use these to remove 99% of all bacteria, ensuring you have safe water to drink, which is so important. We take these things on every adventure we go on. All right, well, that wraps it up. That's some of the best gear you can buy at Walmart. Some good stuff there, man.
Great stuff.
Yeah, you can really get creative too and find some really good deals. So stop on by before your next camping trip and grab some of that stuff.
Yeah.
Might help you out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like. And if you're into this sort of thing, don't forget to hit subscribe. We put a new video out every single week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Later. If you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to check out the rest of the Where We Wild YouTube channel, where we post a brand new video every week. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new adventure. Thanks for watching.